Are those good?
Oh, the whole thing, green and
She'll spit that part out. Told you, look. It's going back in my basket. We don't put those back in the basket, Bird. Here's a pretty one. No, that's not a pretty one. Let's find you a nice one in here. Oh, here's a nice one. Look it.
Why would I look?
Here's one for you.
Just take them out of your basket.
Are those lovely? Yeah, those I already picked.
Oh, there you go. Dump it in your basket.
Hey, Mama.
Thank you.
Go, Grandma.
Should we pick some more?
Yes.
Okay, you pick some more. Is that a red one? Or was that one a green one? Green? Oh, pink. Okay. Red. Is it delicious? Yeah, you're picking them out of the basket again.
Mm-hmm.
Those are easier to pick, aren't they? This goes in the basket for later. Toby, what are you doing?
She says dirt.
You got an itch?
Toby's picking some strawberries.
He's finding all kinds of berries over there, Sadie. You better go help him. Go help Toby. Can you go help Toby? Oh, you're just going to sit here and eat. Take a bite and put him in there. You eat yours. Mine are going on this side.
She says, but then I'll have to pick my own.
You're going, she must have ate the bad part. Did you get yourself a little, oh yeah. Try that one. There you go.
Yeah, she says, look at that face. She says, no.
She says, yes, I like the green ones.
I'm not even close to finishing mine.
Is that good, little bird?
About half.
She did. She likes the green ones better. She ate the whole thing. Okay, say bye-bye.
Wait. Bye.